What's up everybody, Colin here from Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at some goodies from TORRAS that they sent over for a video. So thank you to them for sending over some goodies for us to check out here on the channel. This right here is one of their screen protectors, and I'll have the link to these down in the description. And then the second thing is their stand case. This is the Q3 rugged case. I actually purchased myself the Q3 Air case, and I've had that one for probably a few months now, but they did send this case over for me to check out as well. And I really like this one because I'm actually a fan of rugged cases. You know, I use OtterBoxes a lot, even the iPhone Air. I'm the kind of person to put an OtterBox on my iPhone Air. I just like the rugged feel and rugged look. I can kind of toss my devices around and don't really have to worry about them too much. So this is the Q3 rugged. You have some shock absorption here on the corners and on the top and bottom right there, so really good at absorbing, you know, drops and stuff like that. So if you drop your device, it's going to land on either one of the corners or the top or bottom. It's not really going to land, you know, on the side or like that. I mean, it can land face down, but you got some pretty good raised edges here to protect against that as well. You've got your camera control right here, pass through. It doesn't have a cutout. It actually has the pass through sensor, which I prefer. You've got really nice tactile clicky buttons for your volume, power, action button, all that kind of stuff. And then of course it is a stand case. So you've got the stand right here and it locks into a couple different positions. So you can use it, you know, in different orientations. If you want to prop your device up like that for watching a movie or a video or something like that, you can do that. And then you can also turn it and prop your device up like so if you want to have it like that. And then it snaps back into the case just like that, sits flush, and it also acts as your MagSafe ring when it is on the case like that. So very good MagSafe magnetism right there. So we're going to open up the screen protector now because I've been using the case for a couple days. One other thing I want to mention is it's got some nice grip right here, some nice textured sides so it doesn't feel slippery or easily to drop or anything like that. Next, we're going to go ahead and install this screen protector. And again, the link to this one will be in the description down below. We're going to take off my old screen protector and put this one on as soon as I get the box open here. Have my little box cutter here. There we go, get it open. And we're going to install this here, right here on camera. Nice applicator tray right here. And then in here we do have another screen protector as well as some installation accessories, cloth, stuff like that. There is a squeegee on the top of the package here. Got a manual just in case you need that. Get that out of the way here. I've already got one screen protector locked and loaded in the case here, or in the applicator here rather. I'm going to take the case off the phone so we can put it in there. And I do have a screen protector already installed, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. This one has a border around it. I did get the one from TORRAS that does not have that black border. They did offer me either one, and I chose the one without the border just because I think that would look cleaner. Not that you can really see it when it's on the phone, but we'll try that one. Like I said, I will have the link to this down in the description. They do have a couple of different models that you can get. And even though I just took that screen protector off, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down just to get anything around the edges and stuff like that. Whenever you have a screen protector on, I always recommend you clean around the edges very good because if the screen protectors are slightly different sizes, then you can get gunk buildup around the edge. And then if you put a screen protector on that is slightly bigger, or you get some of that gunk underneath it, then it just messes up the whole installation because it's going to not adhere around the edges, and it'll start peeling and stuff like that. And you're going to have a bunch of gunk and stuff like that under the screen. If you haven't had a screen protector on, I would recommend using the dust removal stickers as well, just to get any dust and debris off the screen. But since I've always had a screen protector on this phone, and since this installation method also kind of pulls some of the dust off, I'm not going to worry about that now, because like I said, the old screen protector just ripped most of it off if there was anything on there. And then we're going to go ahead and give this a pull. I usually kind of just hold around the edges here, give it a pull straight down, and then it does tell you to wipe your finger on the edge there, and you can see it adhering from the middle all the way down. Looks like there's a bubble right there, but it's working its way out. I think we're good to go there. Just make sure you don't peel the screen protector off when you take that paper off. And I don't see, well, there's a little bit of a bubble down there, but that's why they give you a little squeegee. So we'll go ahead and just push that out towards the edge. Sometimes if you got a small one, it's easier to use your nail and kind of just push it over, but that looks like that was all of them. Little tiny one right there. Just wipe around the edges, make sure everything is adhered good. Just going to give it a kind of a once over. But there we go. Nice installation there. Very clean. No bubbles, no dust. All nice and aligned. I mean, these installation trays are one of the best things that companies have come up with for putting on screen protectors. It used to be back in the old days, you had to align it and just slap it on and hope everything was lined up properly, and then you notice it wasn't, and it would bug you for the rest of that screen protector's life on there, just seeing it kind of ever so slightly cocked to the edge. But there we go. That is the TORRAS screen protector in the Q3 Air case. Like I said, links to these will be in the description down below, and I will also link the other model of screen protector on there as well, in case you want to check that one out. But this is the SunView AR. So it's supposed to be an anti-reflective, which is pretty anti-reflective. I got a really bright light up here, so it does reflect a little bit off that, but it's not too bad like the screen would be. And then they have the AR Ultra, which does have the black border. So if you do prefer one with a black border, you can check out the AR Ultra, which is the same kind of screen protector. It has a little bit better enhanced drop protection, and like I said, that black border on it. But thank you again to TORRAS for sending out these accessories for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thank you guys for providing those. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.